The Victsing Extra Large RGB Gaming Mouse Pad, $24.99 on Amazon. Is it worth it? Stick around for this comprehensive video review. Pull this out and bada bing, bada boom. I disappear behind this mouse pad that is 80 centimeters by 40 centimeters. There is a lot of surface area to play with here, folks. There are 12 different RGB modes and 2 levels of brightness. The cable features a 90-degree micro USB tip, as well as a standard USB Type A connector that can go into a power brick or into your computer. The cable does have a braided outside, which I'm really a fan of, because usually the cables that are included with these mouse pads absolutely stink. This costs $24.99. It does have a little brother, which is 80 by 30 instead of 80 by 40. That is $1 cheaper. In my opinion, pay $1 for all that extra real estate. And there we go. It's already lighting up. Okay. So on top is what they call a ultra soft and ultra smooth micro woven surface. On the bottom is a rubber pad which prevents your mouse pad from slipping. If I move this around, the tablecloth would go everywhere, and we're not going to do that. To give you a little bit of perspective, I have this disgusting old Microsoft keyboard plus Microsoft mouse to actually show you how much real estate there is on this gaming pad. Overall, this mouse stinks, but it still is able to slide relatively easy on this mouse pad. Obviously, it won't slide as being on a hard flat surface, but I think some friction does give you more control while in gameplay. Speaking of control, LED light controls. It takes 3 seconds of holding to power this off, 3 seconds of holding to power it back on. If we want to switch between the different lighting modes, 8 of which are static and 4 of which are dynamic, we do some quick presses. Long story short, I have no idea how they actually adjust the brightness on this thing. Don't buy it thinking you'll have adjustable brightness. Additionally, while I was looking at that, I did notice some manufacturing defects or maybe some imperfections caused by shipping. There are some bends in the actual LED strip that goes around the outside of the RGB mat. But overall, besides those slight imperfections, I'd say things are in pretty good shape. This is definitely a budget, intro-level RGB gaming mouse pad that is very affordable for most gamers out there. If you're thinking of buying this, go check it out on Amazon. It is a bit cheaper than some of the other RGB gaming mouse pads that I saw on Amazon. And from a quality perspective, you're not really going to see much difference in this price range. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like on it and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. As always, folks, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.